This is the 40 volt brushless 14-inch string trimmer. It has a 160 watt hour battery, and neat thing about it, has a USB charger in here, so it's a big old USB power pack. You can see the charge of the battery on the back with this button. You could have a shoulder strap here, has a little swivel on it. It's a power head model, so the motor is electric motors at the top. Safety right here, and throttle right here. Oh, one thing I always forget, power button to turn it on. So the power button will turn on and off, and then there's a this little throttle gauge here to go through power level 2 here, power level 1. So it just goes back and forth between those two settings. We'll go real slow to see the on power level 2. Number of variable speeds for the full throttle, and then to see the difference between the two, this detaches with a thumb screw here, and then there's a little push button right here, and basically there's a line drive that goes right through here. You won't really be able to see it, but there's a little square shaft in there, and there's the other end that mate together, this square rod. So it goes together like this. Line up that push button with a hole, slide it together, make sure it snaps in, tighten it up, and it's locked together, ready to go. Has the full cut width, 14 inches. And there's a cutter here for if the line gets too long. It's the tap bump to extend the line. And as you see in the video, you can push the line through and screw it in. Holds about 12 to 16 feet of line. This string trimmer can be set to a 14-inch or 16-inch cutting width, and that's done by switching this cutter around. In the video I have it set for 14-inch, but seeing how well it did, it could easily, I think, do 16-inch from what I was trimming. So to do that, you get the 2 screws, turn that around there, and then put the 2 screws back in. And now you got a 16-inch cut width. I'll show you a little bit later in the video how this line is filled up. It comes with an 80 watt charger, which will take 2 hours to charge a battery from empty to full. It has a couple mounting points if you want to hang it on a wall or something. To charge it, just slide in from the top there. I'll start charging. It'll blink while it's charging and turn solid green when it's charged. If it blinks red, the battery failed. If it's a solid red, it's overheating, it's too hot. You need to just let it sit and cool down. It's probably too hot from running. Usually they need a little cool down period after you use it for a while. So today we'll be testing the 14-inch Greenworks string trimmer. We'll see how far we could get with it on one full battery charge. So while I was weed eating, I'm going to be varying the power level based on the density of the weeds. The lighter weeds I'll be going for, of course, the lighter power, and dense areas I'll be going for the little heavier power here, power 2. So it's 180 feet by about 50 feet with a variety of just about every kind of weed here. That about covers it. So let's get started. Looks like I might be out of string. Time for a reload. Okay, with the 16 feet of string, the trick is here, you're not going to see a video, but you can line a little hole in the white plastic in there with a hole on the outside by turning this. You can just see it now. Get the string into that and push it through. See it coming out the other end. I play with it a little bit to get it to come out the other hole. So yeah, adjust a little bit so you get out that other hole there. Then you want to get the two ends lined up here. And then just pull it until you got it even amount on each side. Now I'm gonna try threading it with a little tension on it with my knee here, so we get a tighter roll to get all the 16 feet in. That's about it. I feel some pushback on the turning. Don't want to get too tight in there. So 16 feet, able to get 13 feet in there, I think. There you go. So let's get back to weed whacking. Just to see where the battery's at. We only got one bar left. And got about half of it done. From some other tools, I do have some secondary batteries, so it'll be easy to get through the rest of it here. Let's get back to it. That looks like out of batteries. That's all she has. So I got about 2/3 of it done. And at least that shows you kind of what one battery could do. I'm gonna finish this up off film.